Hello guys, welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. Today I'm going to show you a new strategy concerning volatility 75 and the volatility 25. Using this strategy, I will show you how to swing trade using volatility 75 and how to scalp using volatility 25. Without wasting time, let us go to the settings so that you too can have this beautiful money downloading screen just like me. As you can see, this strategy contains a couple of indicators, whereas our first indicator it is the RSI having the following parameters: period 1000 applied to close, style 1 pixel, and the color it is green. For the case of levels, we have only one level, which it is 50 in value, and we term it as a breakout. Later in this video, I will tell you why we term this as a breakout. Our second indicator is parabolic SLR, which has the following parameters: step 0.005, maximum 0.05, style 4 pixel, and our color should be pink. For the case of you will click done, but since I already saved it, so I'll just go back. And our third indicator is known as the fractals, having the following parameters: styles 4 pixel, and the color it is green. No levels are needed, simple as that. Our fourth indicators it is for volumes, which are the following parameters: volumes tick, line width 4 pixel, our styles value up and value down both have the same color, which it is green. You click done. Our last indicator and our most important indicator of this strategy it is the Bollinger Bands. I need you to be very careful. If possible, you may have a pen and a notebook beside you so that you can note everything that you will see on the screen. The parameters are as follows: period 10, deviation 1.000, shift -5, apply to close, style 4 pixel, and the color it is black. For the case of levels, there are many levels here. For the case of levels, we go from -0.1 to +0.5. We go in an ascending order: -0.1, -0.2, -0.3, -0.4, -0.5, 0.1 positive, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, or 0.4, and the style it is 4 pixel and the color it is blue. This is how your screen is supposed to look like if you have applied correctly the settings of this strategy as per the video instructions. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on so that you'll be the first to watch any of my videos that will be uploaded in the near future. Now let us get to the awesome part. How should you use this strategy to gain to have win trades consistently? Now, how to use this strategy? This strategy has rules. For the case of volatility 75, rule number 1, it is applied on time frame of 30 minutes. Rule number 2, we use volatility 75 only for swing trades. Rule number 3, for buy positions using volatility 75, we take a buy whenever the parabolic SLR dots are below the blue channel, and we take a sell whenever the parabolic SLR dots are above the channel. Here it is an example of a trade that I personally took, which at the end of this video I will show you the live trade that I took using volatility 75 using this strategy for swing trades. Reminder, for those beginners who do not know the meaning of swing trades, these are trade positions that are taken not for short time. It's different from scalping. That's where volatility 25 comes in place. I will show you how to use the volatility 725 to scalp using this strategy later. For the case of volatility 25, different rules apply. Rule number 1, make sure volatility 25 chart it is in 1 minute time frame. Rule number 2, make sure for sell position the parabolic SLR dots are above the blue channel. As you can see right now on the screen, how consistently it went down towards the downside after the formation of parabolic SLR dots above the blue channel. Rule number 3, make sure the parabolic SLR dots are below the blue channel before you decide to take your long positions. As you can see on the screen, okay, how consistently it went in one direction, okay, how consistently it went on upward direction after the formation of the parabolic SAR dots below the blue channel. This shows how accurately and how consistently and how profitable this strategy is. Now let us go on the promise that I made you, that I will show you the live trades that I took. Now this is a live example that I took on Volatility 25 index on 1 minute time frame. I took this trade as per rules. First, I waited until the parabolic SR dots were below the blue channel so that I could take the trade. As you can see on your screen, all the pips that were going up and up and up. One of the drawbacks that I observed while using this strategy is you may be tagged in and tagged out a couple of times, but this should not be a problem for those with $20 plus accounts. For those with an extremely small accounts of $10 or I don't know, extremely small, you may be tagged in and tagged out and you may find yourself just out of balance. So you should be careful. As you can see on the screen here, there was a minor correction forming a bull flag, being tagged in, being tagged out, but in the end it went up and up and up. You can agree with me that this strategy, it is very consistent, very profitable and very mind-blowing. As you can see here, it is another live example trading that I took on Volatility 75, and the time frame used was the 30-minute time frame. All the rules were followed. Okay, still in blues. Okay, as you can see, the dots of the parabolic were just below the moving the blue channel. Okay, the dots were just below the blue channel as the instructions of the video says. Okay, I'm being tagged in and tagged out. Okay, and this is perfectly normal since the market moves in 1, 2, 3 structures. Okay, meaning that the market moves in an impulse, correction and an impulse. So what's happening right now, it is completely normal. This correction, it is completely normal. I'm being tagged in and tagged out. It's completely normal, and you can see how strong the strategy is. Although I'm being tagged in and tagged out, I'm rarely in red. This is how strong this strategy is. So guys, if you have liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell icon on so that you can be the first to watch any of my videos. Please share this video among your friends, among your relatives who want to take part in this massive forex trading in this world. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me from the start till the end. I hope that you have enjoyed. Bye bye. See you next time.